guys, it's Anarkee, and today I have a super fun announcement for you guys that I've been waiting to make forever. I know every YouTuber says that when they have like something they want to show you, but I mean it, and I understand why they say that now. So some of you might already know that I recently started my own website and online shop called Anarkee Beauty. The first product I had available on there is a custom wig. Basically, you can build your own custom wig that I will then make for you and send out to you. You can get it in 3 different lengths, pretty much any color combination, different styling options, like what have you. Whatever it is, I can make it for you, and that was kind of the first product I had available, mostly because it was just highly requested. You guys are always DMing me, asking me to make you wigs, and I never really had a way to do it, and now I do. But if I'm being totally honest, that was really just a way for me to test the waters and fine-tune a few things before I launched my first product. Without any further ado, here is my first Anarkee Beauty product. Lashes! I'm actually really excited about this because you guys are constantly asking me where my lashes are from, and I never have a good answer because I always struggle to find like really good lashes that I like that I can regularly use all the time. Like, there's the ones I get off of Amazon, but they tend to be very flimsy and cheap and fall apart after a few uses. And the more expensive ones like Lily lashes and various real mink lashes like that. One are real mink, which I've always kind of had a problem with ethically, but I've kind of just had to deal with it because I love the look. Or they're, again, just not that very good quality and will fall apart after a few uses. These are not that. They are faux mink, they are made of silk, and they are very long lasting. I have been testing them out for the past few weeks, and I am still on my first pair. I've yet to lose them, amazingly. Maybe because I made them, and so I'm like more inclined to keep them. But without any further ado, let's open the box. So yeah, it's not just one pair of lashes, it's 3 pairs of lashes that I picked specifically for every kind of everyday look you might want to do. So this is my everyday set. Eventually in the future I want to release a glam set as well, but for now this is the everyday set. And you might be thinking, that's not everyday. To me, this is everyday. So for some of you this might be more glam, but for me these are my everyday staples and what I usually need in a lash for most of my looks. So yeah, let's go through. At the bottom we have Rebellion, which are honestly I think my favorites for when I do not have any eyeliner or literally anything on my face. I've started doing that whole like lighter Glossier type makeup look more and more, and Rebellion is definitely what I would use for those types of looks. In the middle we have Resistance. This is the lightest lash, but it is super long, and it has amazing definition when it goes on the eye. I would use this if I was doing a bit of a lighter look, maybe with a wing, but I would also see myself using it by itself as well, especially when I wanted a no makeup look but still wanted a lash to kind of give my lashes that extra oomph. And then lastly, we have the ones I currently have on my eyes, Revolution. These are the ones I'm going to be wearing basically all the time. They look perfect with the cat eye I usually do. They have that perfect amount of dimension. They're varying in length, so they look very natural. I mean, as natural as they can be with how long they are. And they're my personal everyday favorites for pretty much every makeup look that I do. Yeah, these two taper out into a wing at the end, whereas this is more of a solid throughout kind of spiky one, but they don't look spiky when you actually have them on. As you can see, I have Revolution on my eyes right now, and they do not look spiky like once they're actually on your eye. I absolutely love these. I worked so hard to find like lashes that were exactly what I wanted and what I use on a regular basis and just perfect them so that I can make them available to you guys. And then each set also comes with this applicator, which thank God for this. I actually didn't use this yet, but this is great for applying your lashes and especially adhering them to your natural lashes so that they look as natural and are as secure as humanly possible. So yeah, I'm super excited to finally be able to share these with you guys. I'm also super proud of the box art and like every little detail. I'm just so in love with it. I worked super hard to make this. Everything's custom and I had to made myself. There is a limited quantity, but I do plan on restocking if they are popular enough with you guys. Each set retails for $30. So yeah, I'm super excited about these. Like I said, they retail for $30. You get 3 pairs of reusable lashes, faux mink, like I said before, made of silk, and the little applicator and this cute little box with a drawing of me by @JazzSnow on Instagram. Love you. Thank you so much for this. I cannot wait to see you guys in these lashes. I'm so excited to finally have these and be able to share these with you guys. I've been working on these for a while and I'm so happy. Guys, I'm so excited about this. And yeah, like I said, if this does well, I definitely plan on restocking and even doing a glam set in the future, which I've already like started designing and working on. So I really hope this does well. This is like my first real venture project with this. So yeah, I'm really hoping it does well. I am so excited to see you guys in my lashes in the future. Be sure to follow Anarkee Beauty on Twitter and Instagram for product updates and to see pictures in my lashes and for giveaways and various things like that. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!